Hi, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston off Daniel Island. And I'm going to take you through a new 2023 Sea Ray 210 SPX outboard that we just received. This boat is available. It's in the Sea Ray blue hull color. Trailer shown here is included, which includes mag wheels and a swing tongue. Stainless steel insert in the rub rail, sea deck on the swim platform, reboarding ladder to the port side with a stainless steel grab rail, along with a 12-volt plug for your phone. V6 3.4 liter naturally aspirated 4-stroke engine from Mercury and 200 horsepower. Got a sun pad in the back with a backrest currently in the upright position. Folds down, creates a nice sun pad area. And then you've also got garage style storage. Beneath the sun pad, along with access to your bilge. Closable cockpit door here, batteries beneath this storage hatch. General storage here as you enter. Nice designated entry, don't have to displace any seats or step on any cushions. A lot of cup holders, all stainless steel hardware. L-shaped seating in the cockpit with a cooler box at the stern. Portable cooler there. Storage in the corner also. On the port side, we've got a lounger that can face aft. This backrest can be adjusted to face forward as well. And it can lay all the way down. We've got a ski locker in the floor, which is also a good place to store the boat cover. Sport bucket seat, very comfortable with an adjustable bolster. This is the stone interior. Very sharp gray and charcoal colors. 9-inch touchscreen unit from Simrad for your chart plotter. Fusion Bluetooth stereo. Digital throttle and shift with that Mercury motor. Lockable glove box that can also serve as a cooler box. Got storage in the port side console. And this boat also has the optional bow filler cushion, which is what you see here. It sits on a platform. There's also storage beneath both of those port and starboard forward-facing seats. Fusion speakers and stainless steel grab handles up front. And then anchor locker forward. And this boat has the bimini top. Sea deck throughout the interior as well. Premium sound system, including a subwoofer. And that's a look at the Sea Ray 210 SPX outboard. Again, my name is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston. We're just off Daniel Island at 142 Sportsman Island Drive. Take exit 23A off Highway 526 with a big yellow building right off the highway. You can give us a call at 843-747-1889 and always check us out online at marinemax.com. Thanks for watching.